Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Anker Prime 14-port docking station, a premium connectivity hub designed for professionals, creators, remote workers, and power users who need to transform a laptop into a complete workstation. With extensive port selection, high-speed data transfer, powerful charging capabilities, and multi-display support, this docking station is built to streamline productivity and reduce desktop clutter. Right away, one of the biggest highlights is the impressive 14-port design. Instead of constantly plugging and unplugging devices, users can connect monitors, storage drives, peripherals, networking equipment, audio devices, and charging accessories through a single centralized hub. One of the standout features is the powerful 160W maximum output. This allows the docking station to provide substantial power delivery for compatible laptops and connected devices, helping keep your workspace organized while minimizing the need for multiple chargers and power adapters. Another major advantage is support for 10 gigabits per second high-speed data transfer. Whether you're moving large project files, backing up media libraries, transferring videos, or working with external SSDs, the fast transfer speeds help save valuable time and improve workflow efficiency. The real-time smart interface adds a modern touch to the experience. This intelligent display provides useful information about charging status, power usage, and system activity, giving users greater visibility into their connected devices and overall workstation performance. For professionals who rely on multiple screens, dual 4K display support is a significant benefit. Expanding your desktop across two high-resolution monitors can dramatically improve productivity by allowing you to work with multiple applications, spreadsheets, timelines, documents, and communication tools simultaneously. The inclusion of dedicated Ethernet connectivity provides a stable and reliable wired network connection, which is especially useful for video conferencing, remote work, large file transfers, and business environments where consistent network performance is important. Audio connectivity is another practical addition. Dedicated audio ports make it easy to connect speakers, headphones, microphones, or other audio equipment without consuming valuable USB ports. Compatibility is a key strength of the Anker Prime Docking Station. It is designed to work with a wide range of laptops and systems from popular manufacturers including Dell, HP, Lenovo, and many others, making it a flexible solution for diverse work environments. For remote workers and home office users, the docking station can significantly simplify daily workflows by allowing a single connection to instantly access monitors, storage devices, peripherals, networking, and charging capabilities. Content creators and professionals who work with large files will appreciate the combination of fast data transfer, multiple display support, and centralized connectivity that helps create a more efficient and organized workspace. The sleek desktop design helps reduce cable clutter while providing easy access to frequently used ports, contributing to a cleaner and more professional workstation setup. Overall, the Anker Prime 14-port docking station combines extensive connectivity, 160W power delivery, 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, dual 4K monitor support, Ethernet networking, audio connectivity, and a smart status interface into a powerful all-in-one workstation solution. If you're looking for a premium docking station that can expand your laptop's capabilities, simplify your desk setup, and boost productivity with high-speed connectivity and multi-display support, the Anker Prime 14-port docking station is definitely worth considering. Click the link below for the best price.